It's really important for the city to offer this type of service because an informed city is a resilient city.
The City of Edmond's Emergency Communications Department is rolling out a new emergency notification platform called Edmond AlertED. The state-of-the-art system delivers real-time updates to residents and businesses about severe weather, homeland security concerns, evacuation orders, local criminal activity, and other urgent situations.
You may see times where it's used where in the middle of the night we have a missing child. We can alert people in that neighborhood to be on the lookout for the child and then send that, make a phone call to 911 so that we can come locate that child.
Edmond AlertED delivers critical updates through text messages, emails, or voice calls, allowing residents to choose the methods that work best for them. The system can also target alerts to specific neighborhoods or business districts.
A lot of the alerts are geographic based, meaning we're going to go draw a circle around a certain area depending on where that disaster is, whatever the issue is, and then it'll pick up everybody that's inside that.
Edmond AlertED replaces the city's former Code Red notification system. Anyone previously registered with Code Red will need to sign up again to receive messages through the new Edmond AlertED platform. Residents can register by visiting edmondok.gov/alerted or by texting AlertED to 67283. The new system allows users to add multiple phone numbers and email addresses. Participants can also tailor exactly which types of notifications they want to receive. Be sure to sign up today. And if you have family or friends who live or work in Edmond, please share this information so that they can be informed during emergencies as well.
This system allows us to send out information, within a matter of seconds so that we can inform our residents of what's going on. And when disaster or emergency strikes, seconds really matter. By allowing them to know when disasters are happening or when evacuation is taking place, then ultimately it helps us save lives and save property.